This will remove every stain from dirty socks. This method is even stronger than professional dry cleaning. Gray, faded fabric, dark stains, and unsightly discoloration often make socks look completely ruined. That's why you should prepare this powerful cleaning mixture. Take a bowl and pour in about 1 cup of liquid laundry detergent or laundry gel. Gel is usually a little thicker, which allows it to cling to fabric fibers more easily, but both products work just as well. Then add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste contains gentle cleaning ingredients that help refresh the surface of the fabric and support the removal of certain stains. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt helps soften dried-on dirt and supports the fabric refreshing process, which is why it has been used in household cleaning for years. Stir everything well, so all ingredients combine properly. Now prepare a larger bowl and pour in the finished mixture. Add about 1 cup of water. Place the dirty socks inside, making sure the entire fabric is fully submerged and can absorb the solution properly. The next step is to add a dishwasher tablet and pour in another 1 cup of warm water. Mix everything together and leave the socks to soak for a while. This is when the fabric gradually begins to refresh and regain a cleaner appearance. After soaking, remove the socks and squeeze out any excess water. Now simply put them in the washing machine and select a gentle wash cycle. After this treatment, the socks look noticeably fresher and cleaner. Even old, gray, and heavily stained fabrics can regain a brighter color and look almost as good as new. Are your towels looking dull and gray? This simple trick will make them bright white again. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. This method removes yellow stains, unpleasant odors, and restores the original brightness of towels without expensive detergents. Start by preparing a large bowl or bucket and filling it with hot water. The heat helps the ingredients work better and penetrate deeper into the fibers. Then add half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda removes dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes fabrics. Next, add about half a cup of vinegar. It helps dissolve detergent buildup and makes towels soft again. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt, which helps brighten the fabric and reduce stains. Now add the juice of 1 large lemon. It has a natural whitening effect and leaves a fresh scent. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, which helps break down grease and hidden residue in the fibers. Finally, add 1 packet of baking powder. This ingredient helps refresh fabrics even further and boosts the effectiveness of the entire mixture. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are fully combined with the water. Place the white towels into the mixture and let them soak for about 1 hour. After a short time, the water may begin to change color as dirt gradually lifts from the fabric. Then transfer the towels to the washing machine and wash as usual. Once dry, they will look noticeably brighter, fresher, and much more pleasant to the touch. This simple homemade whitening method can make white towels look almost brand new again. Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have 1 item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. You can quickly clean that yellow collar, and your shirt will look as good as new. Pour about a tablespoon of salt into the sink. Add a scoop of detergent for white fabrics. Pour in about a tablespoon of white wine, then add the same amount of vinegar. Fill it all up with warm water. Soak the shirt in this mixture, making sure the collar stays submerged in the solution. Salt, detergent, white wine, and vinegar all have cleaning properties. These products remove stains and whiten the fabric. Leave the shirt for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work on the stain. Then rinse it thoroughly with cold water to remove the mixture. Wash the shirt according to the care label in the washing machine, using detergent for light-colored clothes. Dry the shirt in fresh air, preferably in the sun. After drying, you won't see any yellow stains on the collar. This simple mixture makes your shirt look brand new. A grayish and yellowed t-shirt will look like new. You'll see the difference immediately. Place the t-shirt in the sink and squeeze a few centimeters of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste has whitening properties and removes stains and discoloration. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt naturally restores the whiteness of white clothes. Add 1 capful of detergent for whites and pour warm but not boiling water over everything. The water temperature should match the fabric of the t-shirt. Mix it with the detergent and leave it for a few minutes. Then, hand wash the t-shirt in the water. You'll notice the water changing color. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and wash the t-shirt in the washing machine with other white clothes. If you dry the t-shirt in the sun, its rays will whiten it even more. This method for washing white clothes is simple and effective. Toothpaste, salt, and detergent can really whiten your clothes well,